If Tinfoil isn't loading, updating, or handling your legal homebrew files properly on your Switch, you're definitely not the only one. It's one of the most common issues people run into, and the good news is that it's almost always caused by something simple, either how the console is booting or how Tinfoil is installed. Before anything else, check the way you're booting your Switch. Tinfoil generally works best when the system is launched using Fuse Primary, not Hecate. If your setup is launching through Hecate by default, Tinfoil may refuse to run correctly unless everything is configured perfectly. Double check your boot method. This alone fixes the issue for a lot of people. If Tinfoil still isn't behaving, reinstalling it is your next best move. Start by deleting the old Tinfoil folder from your SD card. A messy or outdated install can break things fast. After removing it, reinstall the latest version using a trusted homebrew tool like DBI Installer or Goldleaf. Just make sure you're installing a clean, legitimate build of the app. Once you open Tinfoil again, press the minus button to view your file locations. If you see any broken paths or sources pointing to nowhere, remove them. Incorrect USB, HTTP, or SD paths are a common reason why files fail to load or appear. Cleaning these up ensures Tinfoil knows exactly where your content is stored. Another thing many people overlook is the NSP forwarder, the file that lets Tinfoil run like a normal application. If it wasn't installed correctly or was skipped during setup, Tinfoil won't operate as expected. Reinstalling the NSP version through DBI or Goldleaf usually fixes this instantly. Most of the time, one of these steps will solve the issue completely. But if you're still stuck, double check how you're booting the system, what version of the Atmosphere you're using, and whether your files were installed cleanly. Once those pieces are sorted, Tinfoil almost always starts working again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get everything running smoothly. If you're still having issues, drop your setup details in the comments and I'll help you figure it out. See you in the next one.